Hello YouTube viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a fascinating topic to dive into: a Saudi Arabian 1 dirham coin, minted between 1995 and 1998. We'll be exploring its value, history, and what makes it such a valuable piece for collectors. So, buckle up and let's jump right in. Here it is, the 1995 Saudi Arabia 1 dirham coin. This coin holds both historical and cultural significance, making it highly sought after by collectors. Let's talk about its value first. In terms of value, the 1995 Saudi Arabia 1 dirham coin is a true gem for collectors. Its worth can vary based on its condition, rarity, and demand in the market. As of recent data, a well-preserved coin can be valued at insert current market value, making it a valuable addition to any collection. Now, let's dive into the history of this coin. The 1 dirham coin was introduced in Saudi Arabia, a country known for its rich cultural heritage and historical significance. This particular coin features intricate designs that reflect the nation's unique identity. On the obverse side, you'll find the national emblem of Saudi Arabia depicting a palm tree and crossed swords, symbolizing the country's strength and prosperity. The reverse side features the denomination, 1 dirham, along with intricate Arabic calligraphy, adding to its aesthetic appeal. What makes this coin even more intriguing is its limited mintage and the historical context of the year 1995. For collectors, coins from significant years often hold a special place in their collections. The 1995 1 dirham coin is no exception. Its scarcity, combined with its beautiful design, makes it a prized possession for numismatists worldwide. Some versions of this coin might also feature minting errors or unique variations, further increasing their value among collectors. So, if you happen to come across one of these rare variations, consider yourself incredibly fortunate. 1998 coin. Before we talk about the current value of the 1998 Saudi Arabia 1 dirham coin, let's take a trip back in time to understand its historical context. This coin, minted in 1998, holds a special place in Saudi Arabian numismatic history. It features intricate designs and symbolism that reflect the rich heritage of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Here, we have the 1998 1 dirham coin from Saudi Arabia. On the obverse side, you'll find the national emblem, which includes a palm tree, crossed swords, and the Shahada, the Islamic declaration of faith. The reverse side showcases the denomination 1 dirham along with various traditional motifs. It's a true work of art. Now, let's talk about the current market value of this coin. The value of a coin can fluctuate based on its condition, rarity, and demand in the collector's market. As of current year, a 1998 Saudi Arabia 1 dirham coin, in decent condition, is valued at around current market value. Please note that this value can vary, so it's essential to consult reliable coin pricing guides or experts for the most accurate information. If you're interested in how the value of this coin has changed over the years, let's take a look at its price history. Back in a specific year, this coin might have been valued differently. Factors such as economic changes, political events, and collector trends can influence the price fluctuations of coins over time. For those of you eager to explore further, there are various online platforms, coin collector forums, and numismatic experts who can provide valuable insights into the world of coin collecting. Remember, knowledge is key when it comes to assessing the value of your coins. And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the world of the 1998 Saudi Arabia 1 dirham coin. We hope you found this information valuable and insightful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content about coins, history, and collectibles. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy collecting!